Jim's Garage Toys. Today I'm going to be installing this traction bar underneath on my 2017 Corolla IM. This is designed to help eliminate wheel hop on hard starts, and this is made by TB Performance Products. Danny, who does the work there, does good work. I've got some of his other bars on this car, and I really appreciate the time and effort that he puts into his products. I bought this just like anybody else would do. I'm not being sponsored by him or anything else, but I thought I would do a video showing how this installs onto the car for anybody else that's interested in doing this to their car. So that being said, I've got the car up on ramps already. Give me a little bit of room to work underneath it, and we'll go ahead and get started. All right, so position back into the car. So again, if you hold this up and to see the two bolts it lines up with. So it's gonna be this one right here and this one right here. And so let's get our 17mm on here. Let's see if we can break these loose. There we go. There's that one. There it goes. And then I knew this wouldn't be able to break and loose, but it'll make undoing them much quicker. That one. There's that one. So that's what they'll go into. Go ahead and do the other two also. Get that angle right. So you got the inside one. Go, and I got the outside one down here. Luckily, nothing's gonna change down here because there's multiple ones for each bar there. Multiple bolts. The biggest trick when putting this back in is just getting that first one started. One on there. The other one in place. Don't snug any of them down until I got all of them in position. All right, the bar All of them are loosely on there now, so you can see how it sits. So now I'll go ahead and snug up everything with this, and then we'll tighten everything up really good. Okay. Everything is good there, so now we'll give it a good snug. All 4 bolts are now snugged down nice and tight. So we got that side. And come over to that side. It's all installed now. Looks great. There's my other, the mid-chassis one from TV Performance Products also. So just the way the bar's designed, that must have a lot more twisting to it, the way it's designed. So this must just be longitudinal forces. So, all right. Well, that is that. That's how quick and easy.